Welcome. Today, you'll learn how to prevent the group owner from banning users in your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC, thanks to a new update that gives you more control over group permissions. If you're a group owner and want to make sure you, or any future owner, can't accidentally or intentionally ban members, follow these clear steps. First, open your browser and go to Telegram Web. Log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the group, where you are the owner. You'll see your list of chats on the left. Just click on the group you want to manage. At the top of the chat window, you'll see the group's name. Click on it to open the group info panel. Here, you'll find various details about your group, including members, shared media, and settings. Look for the edit icon. It usually looks like a pencil or a small gear. Click on this icon to enter the group's editing mode. Now, find the section labeled Administrators. Click on it to view the list of all admins and their permissions. Since you're the owner, you'll see your name at the top, marked as Owner. Click on your own name to open your admin permissions. Here's the crucial step. Look for the permission labeled Ban Users. This setting controls whether the owner can ban members from the group. By default, it's usually enabled. To prevent yourself, or any future owner from banning users, simply disable this option. Once you've toggled it off, click Save to confirm your changes. That's it. You've now successfully removed the ability for the group owner to ban users in your Telegram group on the web version. This can help maintain a fair and open environment, especially in large communities, where you want to ensure no one is removed without consensus. Remember, managing permissions carefully is key to a healthy group. With these steps, you're in control and can keep your community safe from accidental or unwanted bans. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your improved Telegram group experience.